Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper in Windows 11. First, go to your desktop. Now, right-click anywhere on the empty area of your desktop. From the menu, click on Personalize. Then, click on Background. Now, click on the arrow on the right side. There are 4 options here: Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow, and Windows Spotlight. We want to add a picture as wallpaper, so select Picture option. Now here you see some recent images showing. They are basically your recent used wallpaper. If you want to add from among them, just click on the wallpaper. Now your wallpaper has changed. Go to your desktop and see. But if you add any image from your PC, you can do that too. For that, again go to Personalize, Background, and click on Browse Photos option on the right side. Now select wallpaper image from your PC and click on Choose Picture. Now it has added automatically as your wallpaper.